Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a hover interaction library using CSS for UI polish. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a new HTML file. Open your favorite code editor. Add a basic HTML structure to the file. Include a head section and a body section. In the head, link to a CSS file. Create a new CSS file named styles.css. In the CSS file, set up a basic reset for margins and padding. Next, define the styles for the elements you want to affect with the hover interaction. Add a class to your HTML elements that will trigger the hover effect. In the CSS file, select that class and define its default state. For example, set the background color and text color. Now, add a hover pseudoclass for that same class. Specify the new styles that should apply on hover. Consider changing the background color, scaling the element, or adding a shadow. You may use properties like transform, transition, and box shadow. Make sure to set a transition duration for smoothness. Test the transition by saving your files and opening the HTML in a browser. Hover over the designated elements to see the effects in action. Tweak the timing and styles as needed to achieve the desired polish. Feel free to experiment with different effects for variety. Once satisfied, finalize your CSS and HTML files. Your hover interaction library is now set up for a polished user interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.